Hi everyone, I am Fawad, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can we multiply and divide the real numbers. So let's begin. Guys, in the question number 1, we have minus 3 times minus 12. The first question is about multiplication. I told you whenever this is in parentheses and there is no operation here, so it is understood that it is multiplication. So minus 3 times minus 12, how you will multiply them? Guys, always remember, whenever you have two negative numbers and you are going to multiply them, first of all you have to multiply their signs. Okay, and regarding the multiplication of their signs, these are the sum rules: plus times plus equal plus, minus times minus equal plus, plus times minus equal minus, minus times plus equal minus. So whenever you're going to multiply the two numbers, the multiplication of signs, these rules you must know too. Okay guys, so minus 3 times minus 12, first of all I told you have to multiply their signs. So minus times minus, it comes plus, and 3 times, I mean sign multiply with a sign and number multiply with a number. So 12 times 3 is 36. So guys, this is our answer. Let's go to the question number 2. Minus 2 over 11 times, there is no operations, it is understood this is multiplication. So minus 11 over 2, so we are going to multiply it. So guys, first of all, the first step, one fraction, sign. So first of all we multiply their signs. So minus time minus, it comes plus. We are done with the signs. Now the turn of the fractions. So 2 times 11 times 11 times 2. Okay, 11 times 2. So guys, the fraction, whenever we are going to multiply the fraction, the rule is numerator value will multiply with the numerator value and the denominator value will multiply with the denominator value, unless the numerator and denominator are not going to cancel each other or are not going to simplify each other. I mean to say, first of all you have to check before multiplication of the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, you have to check that is there any possible simplification there or no. So as I can see, the 2 can divide the 2. They are coming on the same table, so you can cancel them. 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. And in the case of 11 also, the 11 can cancel 11 times 1 and 11 times 1. So guys, now the remainings we will multiply. 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 1 over 1, which is 1, which is plus 1 and plus plus. No need to write, it is understood it is plus, but I just wrote as I was writing in the above step. So guys, I hope you understand. Question number 3, minus 46 divided by minus 2. I think I can write it as like this also. I am allowed to write the division as in the form of fraction. Now guys, whenever you have the same signs, negative in the numerator and denominator, you can just cancel them. And I mean to say cancel means that it will become plus 46 divided by 2. And now guys, simple, it is numerator and denominator, you can simply divide them either by using your calculator or by this manual division method. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 6 will come down. 2 times 3 is 6, the remainder will be 0. So the answer will come 23. So answer is plus. Okay guys, now guys, part number 4, 63 divided by minus 21. Now the 63 is plus, the denominator is minus. Now what answer will come in your now what sign will come with your answer? So guys, as I told you in the previous videos, that whenever you have minus in the numerator or in the denominator, one minus only, so your fraction will give a negative answer. So guys, first of all we divide 63 and 21. You can use the calculators, I am just doing the manual. So 21 times 1, 22 times 2 is 42, and 3 is 63. So I times 63, 3 times 1 and 3 times 2, 6. So the remainder becomes 0. So 3 is the answer but of this division. But what sign I will write? The sign will be minus. If I just to show you more properly, like this will come. That 21 times 1 and 21 times 3 is 63 plus and this. So it will be, in short, you can write, or in simplified form you can write as minus 3. I hope now you understand. If in a fraction you have plus minus, plus up minus down, or minus up plus down, the answer will stay the same with the minus sign. But if your fraction having same signs, plus plus, answer is plus. Minus minus, still answer is plus. So these are the some basic rules. Part number 5, 9 over 10. Now guys, 9 over 10, division is coming with the fraction. Guys, when one fraction divide with the other fraction, so we have a rule for it. The rule is this: A over B divided by C over D. If you have one fraction A over B and other fraction C over D, and they are going to divide with each other, what you will do? You are going to write as A over B divided by C over D. Yes, you will write like this. But this is, you can say, a little bit long method. What is the result of all this? I'm going to show you that result. Okay? So the result will be A over B as it is. Division sign you change into multiplication. And C over D, you will flip it to D over C. So guys, this rule you will apply whenever you are going to divide to, you are going to do the division process between the two fractions. Like in this case, 9 over 10 divided by minus 4 over 5. So what you are going to do, you apply this rule. How you apply this rule? Equal, you change division to multiplication and you flip the fraction. So what it will come? It will come 5 over minus 4. Now guys, as you can see, you have to multiply the two fractions, but before multiplication you have to check that is there any kind of simplification you can do in numerator and denominators. I mean, you can divide the numerator and denominator numbers with the same table or no. So guys, here I know 5 I can divide 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. 9 and 4 both are even and odd and even numbers respectively, so I cannot do any simplification. So I just multiply the numerator with the numerator. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. As you know that this 2 is plus 2 and this 4 is minus 4. So when I will multiply, sign will multiply with a sign. So plus times minus is minus, and number will multiply with a number. 2 times 4 will be 8. So 9 over 8 or 9 over minus 8 is our answer. Or you can write as minus 9 over 8. Like this also is fine. So guys, this is our answer. I hope you understand. This is the improper fraction. You can write it as in the mixed number form like this: minus 1 whole 1 over 8. You can just put this 9 over 8 in your calculator by pressing the shift and the fraction button. Write 9 over 8, press the equal sign, and you will get 1 whole 1 over 8. That is the mixed number form. Normally in the simplified answer, for the simplified answer, we use whenever improper fraction comes in the final step, so we will try to write or show them in the mixed number form. I hope you understand the whole multiplication and division process. If you have any question, write in the comment box and I will try to answer that. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and see you soon with a new video. Bye bye.